First, measure the flow on the bridge. On-site operation. Flow measurement on the bridge. Make sure to place the device steadily. Press the power button. The device powers on and enters the initialization state. After initialization is complete, it enters the mode selection interface. Here we select Quick Mode. Press the OK button, or trigger to start measurement. The device immediately enters the horizontal heading calibration interface. Ensure the device body is parallel to the water flow direction. Press the OK button, or trigger to complete calibration. Enter the flow measurement interface. The screen displays the instantaneous water velocity and flow direction. Please keep the horizontal heading angle around 0 degrees, and the pitch angle around 45 degrees. When the measurement time exceeds 15 sec, the data is stable, or after completing a 99-second measurement cycle, press the OK button, or trigger to end the measurement. The screen will display the average water velocity of this measurement, as well as the maximum and minimum velocity within the 99 seconds. Select End Measurement. Measurement done. Then the measurement data will be automatically saved in our device. Now let's demonstrate flow measurement at the riverside. On-site operation. Flow measurement at the riverside. Likewise, place the device parallel to the water flow direction. Turn on the power button. The device powers on and enters initialization. After initialization is complete, press the OK button, or trigger to enter Quick Flow Measurement. The device immediately enters the horizontal heading calibration interface. Ensure the device body is parallel to the water flow direction. Press the OK button to complete calibration. Enter measurement mode. Slowly move the device, while aiming it at the target water flow to be measured. At this point, the device begins measuring. Keep the horizontal heading angle around 30 degrees, and the pitch angle around 45 degrees. Similarly, when the measurement time exceeds 15 seconds, or after completing a 99-second measurement cycle, press the OK button, or trigger, to complete the measurement. Measurement done. This flow measurement is completed. Finally, let's look at tripod-mounted measurement using our optional accessory.